Welcome to the course Formal Language and Automata Theory. In this lecture, we will discuss about conversion of Moore mission to Millet mission. In our previous lecture, we discussed about what is finite automata with output, then what is Moore mission, then what is Millet mission, then how to define Moore and Millet missions formally, then examples of Moore and Millet missions, then equivalence of Moore and Millet mission in this one of the conversion, that is conversion of Millet mission to Moore mission. So till this we discussed in our previous lecture. Now we will continue with other alternative conversion, that is conversion of Moore mission to Millet mission. For this, the equivalence theorem, conversion of Moore to Millet mission. Moore mission means having common output for each and every state irrespective of their transitions. Then Millet mission means for every state on every input it has respective associated output. So that means outputs are based on the transitions in Millet mission, whereas in Moore mission irrespective of transitions outputs are associated with states. That is the difference between Moore and Millet missions. Now here we will discuss about conversion of Moore mission to Millet mission. That means common output to different outputs associated with states and transition. Now the theorem statement is, let if M1 equal to Q sigma, that output alphabet delta, then transition function delta, output function lambda Q naught is a Moore mission, then there is a Millet mission M2 equivalent to given Moore mission M1. So by using this theorem, the procedure is given below. So here we need to find out M2. So in M2 you can see what are the tuples you need to find out. Q is same as M1, sigma is same as M1, output alphabet delta is same as M1, then transition function is also same as M1, then the only tuple varying is lambda dash, that is output function. So here we need to find out only output function. Even initial state is also same. Remaining all are same as the given Moore mission. Now the output function is defined by using lambda dash of Q comma A. That can be defined as lambda of delta of Q comma A. Here lambda is output function of the given Moore mission. Delta is the transition function of given Moore mission. First you can find out transition function for the state for the inputs for the given Moore mission. For that you will get one state. For that you can find out output. So once output is obtained, then you can draw the Millet mission by seeing the same transition, same state, same initial state, but only outputs you need to add for each and every transition. So now this is lambda dash of Q comma A equal to lambda of delta of Q comma A for all states Q and input symbols A. Then M1 and M2 enters the same sequence of states on the same input, and with each transition M2 emits or produces the output that M1 associates with the state entered. So for every state on every input you can provide the associated output. Now let us see one example problem. So conversion of Moore to Millet mission. The question is like this. So let M1 be the Moore mission shown in figure. Construct Millet mission M2 for the given Moore mission M1. Now see the following transition diagram. So which is a Moore mission. How can we say this is a Moore mission? Here you can see for every state outputs are represented on top of the state, that is common outputs. Here you can see 0 represented in red color, 1 represented in red color, 2 represented in red color. So 0, 1, 2 are the outputs of the states Q0, Q1, Q2. For state Q0 output is 0, for state Q1 output is 1, for state Q2 output is 2. Now the transitions as usual remains same. Now the Mealy mission also looks same, but outputs are not represented for each and every state. On transitions, input followed by output. So like that we can represent outputs in Mealy mission. But states, the transitions, initial state, all are same. In place of common outputs, different outputs are added. That is the only difference. Now let us see the solution. So as per the procedure of the theorem, so here we assumed M2 is Q sigma output alphabet delta, transition function delta, output function lambda dash, and initial state Q not be Mealy mission, and define lambda dash of Q comma A to be lambda of delta of Q comma A for all states Q and input symbols here. That means for all states and all inputs you can find out lambda dash. Remaining all are same. Here no need to find out transitions. Transitions are same. As for the theorem, the rule of finding lambda dash, that is delta dash of Q comma A equal to, that is lambda dash of Q comma A equal to lambda of delta of Q comma A. Simply you can find out for the state Q on input A what is its transition using delta. Then here you will get one state. Then what is the output of that state, that you can write down here for each and every state on every transition. Then that is nothing but our equivalent Mealy mission. Now we will see one by one here. First we will start with initial state by using the lambda dash rule. First for the state Q0, so we have the first input 0, the second input 1. On both inputs we can find the output functions. So lambda dash of Q0 comma 0 equal to, this can be written as lambda of delta of Q0 comma 0. First find out this value. Delta of Q0 on 0, Q0 on 0, it is going to Q0 itself. Now you can see lambda of Q0. So what is lambda of Q0? 0. So that output can be written here. Similarly, for the same state on input 1, so Q0 on 1, this is equal to lambda of delta of Q0 on 1. Now Q0 on 1, Q0 on 1, the next state is Q1. Therefore lambda of Q1. What is the output of Q1 here? That is 1. Like that for every state you can find out output functions. The second state is Q1. Lambda dash of Q1 on 0 equal to lambda of delta of Q1 on 0. So what is the delta of Q1 on 0? So Q1 on 0 equal to Q2. So lambda of Q2. What is output of Q2? 2. Then lambda dash of Q1 on 1. This can be written as lambda of delta of Q1 on 1. What is the delta of Q1 on 1? Q1 on 1, it is going to Q0. So therefore lambda of Q0. What is output of Q0? Q0. Next state is Q2. Lambda dash of Q2 on 0 equal to lambda of delta of Q2 on 0. So then Q2 on 0, Q1. Therefore lambda of Q1. Therefore its output is 1. Q1 output is 1. Similarly, lambda dash of Q2 on 1 equal to lambda of delta of Q2 on 1. Then delta of Q2 on 1, Q2. That is lambda of Q2. What is the output of Q2? Q2. For all the states, Q0, Q1, Q2, outputs are calculated. Once our outputs are calculated, then you can construct its Mealy mission with using the same transitions, but outputs are varies. Okay, now see how to draw its transition diagram. The transition diagram is same as given Moore mission. The only difference is for each and every transition we can add its associated outputs. See here, I have taken same transition diagram. There is no change. Initial state and all transitions are remain same. Now you can add outputs. See how to add outputs. Here you can see. First, for state Q naught, on input 0. See here you can see the output function. For state Q naught, on input 0, what is its output? 0. So that output is represented within the transition on the arc or edge separated by r or slash. So 0 by 0. Now this is nothing but output. For state Q naught, this is input. On input 0, then output is 0. Then similarly from state Q naught on input 1. See the transition, it is going to Q1. Now its output you can represent separated by r or slash. So Q naught on 1, what is its output here? 1. Then similarly coming to Q1 state. From Q1 state on input 0, so it is going to Q2. Then what is its output? Q1 on 0 output is 2. So you can represent separated by r or slash. Then output is added here. Then Q1 on 1, it is going to Q naught. Then what is its output? Q1 on input 1, the output is 0. So here you can represent 1 by 0. Then coming to Q2, Q2 on 0, it is going to Q1. Then Q2 on 0, its output is 1. So by 1. Then Q2 on 1, it is going to Q2. Then what is its output? Output is 2. So therefore 1 by 2. Now you can see. This is nothing but our equivalent Mealy machine. This is a very simple method. Here only we need to find out lambda dash, that is output function, using this rule. Remaining all are same as the given Mealy mission. Now this is the transition diagram of equivalent Mealy mission for the given Moore mission. Now you can see clearly it is shown here. Whatever I explained here. So transition followed by output. So input followed by output for each and every state. So here the red color representation by 0, 1, 2 are the outputs. So this is the output for Q naught state on input 0. Now this is the input. Then Q naught on input 1, the output is 1. Then Q1 on input 0, output is 2. Then Q1 on input 1, output is 0. Then Q2 on input 0, output is 1. Q2 on input 1, output is 2. See, the transitions, the states, initial state, everything is same. Only in place of common output, now different outputs are added here. So there is the difference between Moore and Mealy mission. Now this is our equivalent Mealy mission. Now similarly, its transition table. See, observe the transition table here. For every next state, you can write the associated output there itself. But whereas in Moore mission transition table, we have one separate column stating output for the current state. In row headings, whatever the states, for those states, common output. But whereas in Mealy mission, here you can see, for every state on every input, it has associated output. Now, from the above transition diagram, so the transitions remain same. Q naught on 0, Q naught on 1, Q1, Q1 on 0, Q2, Q1 on 1, Q naught, then Q2 on 0, Q1, Q2 on 1, Q2. So up to this same, but every input, one more extra column we have added, that is output. So this output is associated with input 0. Then second column also, second input also on input 1. So the state followed by its output. This output is associated with input 1. So now you can add their outputs. So Q naught on 0. So what is its output? Here you can see. Q naught on 0, its output is 0. So here that 0 is added here. Similarly, Q naught on input 1, what is its output? See, Q naught on input 1, its output is 1. So its output is 1. See, don't confuse here. Don't see the next state. So we can't see these states. So this value is for the row heading state. For the row heading state output, not for the next state output. So this point you can remember. Similarly for Q2, for Q1 state on input 0. So Q1 on input 0, its output is 0. So, so Q1 on 0, see Q1 on 0, its output is 2. So same added here. Then Q1 on input 1, Q1 on input 1, its output is 0. So therefore 0 is added here. Similarly, Q1 on input 1, Q1, then Q2. Q2 on input 0, output is Q1. So therefore output is Q1. Then Q2 on input 1, output is 2. So those outputs are added. By seeing the above lambda dash function or the Milley-Mission transition diagram, you can write the row heading states outputs on respective inputs. Don't write the next state outputs here beside whatever the states. So that is equivalent transition table of Milley-Mission.